Is virtual infidelity a ground for divorce in New York? The digital age has transformed how people interact, including in romantic relationships. With online connections becoming more intimate, the question arises, can virtual infidelity be considered a valid ground for divorce in New York? Understanding how New York law views virtual cheating is crucial for those navigating marital challenges. New York law defines adultery as a spouse engaging in a voluntary sexual relationship with someone other than their partner. Traditionally, this meant physical encounters. However, with the rise of digital communication, some spouses experience betrayal through online interactions, whether emotional affairs, explicit messaging, or using dating apps. While New York does not explicitly classify virtual infidelity as adultery, it can still play a role in divorce proceedings. New York allows for both fault-based and no-fault divorces. Adultery is one of the legal grounds for a fault-based divorce, requiring proof of physical sexual relations. Since virtual infidelity does not involve physical contact, it may not meet this standard. However, if online infidelity leads to an in-person affair, it can be used as evidence in an adultery-based divorce. For those seeking divorce without citing fault, New York's no-fault option requires proof of an irretrievable breakdown of the marriage for at least 6 months. Virtual infidelity can contribute to this breakdown and may be presented in court to support claims of emotional harm, loss of trust, or marital instability. Virtual infidelity can impact divorce proceedings in several ways. While it may not be grounds for a fault-based divorce, it can affect the division of assets, alimony, and child custody arrangements. If one spouse can prove that the other's online activities led to financial mismanagement or emotional harm, it may influence property distribution. Additionally, if virtual infidelity affected a spouse's parenting responsibilities, it could be considered in child custody decisions. Proving virtual infidelity requires legal evidence. Screenshots of online conversations, metadata, and even subpoenaed records from service providers may be necessary. However, illegally obtained evidence, such as hacking into a spouse's account, can be dismissed in court. The authentication of digital evidence is crucial, and consulting a divorce attorney ensures proper procedures are followed. Though New York recently repealed the criminalization of adultery, it remains a legal ground for divorce under the domestic relations law. While virtual infidelity alone may not be enough to establish adultery, it can contribute to the overall case. It is advisable to work with a knowledgeable attorney to determine the best legal strategy. If you are considering divorce due to virtual infidelity, seeking legal guidance is essential. The law office of Richard Roman Shum, Esq., can provide the support and representation needed to navigate your case effectively. Contact our office at 646-259-3416 or visit us at 20 Clinton Street, Apt 5D, New York, 10002.